Electricity bills in Kenya soared in 2023, causing a huge impact. 20% of Kenya's small factories have had to close due to rising electricity bills. Namkoo helps one of Africa's largest cookie factories in Kenya to solve its electricity problems.
Hello everyone, this is Miss Echo from Namkoo Power. And this is Miss Lena from the Magento family. And this is our engineer at the program. Today we are very honored to come here visiting the 500 kilowatt solar power project.
The factory's monthly electricity consumption is staggering. Operating 24/7 with 2,000 employees, relying on its operations. Monthly electricity bill reaches Ksh 2.85 million. Namkoo designed and installed a 500 kilowatts on-grid solar system based on the power consumption of the factory, which can save the factory Ksh 1.58 million in electricity bills every month. This isn't just about numbers, it's ensuring a sustainable future for businesses like this biscuit factory and many others across Kenya.